this kitty's dog lives a kitten named Cookie. Mom and Big Brother went out to dinner, and their little sister came home with Grandma. Lots of other kittens live here too. Cookie, Candy, and Pudding. Kitty cat.
You're very cute. But you three just go out and I'll join in when I finish.
It was Daddy's birthday, and the kitties were wondering what present to give him.
I know, Mommy. We could give Daddy a bicycle. Then he could ride to work on traffic instead of in traffic.
That's a lovely idea, but you're forgetting that poor sweet Daddy is very clumsy.
Right. Well, maybe we should get him a helicopter.
That's a nice idea, too, but the air above all that traffic is awfully yucky.
I'm afraid of the dark. I know. Let's give him a rocket.
But you were just blindfolded when you were playing, and that's the same thing as being in the dark.
He probably would end up in a Martian traffic jam.
But possibly get it.
Well, there is one thing I know that Daddy has always liked.
The house is up, but everything's going to be all right. What it is.
We need to hit the hard at one line. Every time you open it, it plays beautiful music.
That's awesome.
The store had so many musical cards to choose from. How were they going to decide?
He played with the kitty cats just like he was one of them. Not worried at all about being responsible.
Huh? In that case, we should make some sausage pudding.
A birthday cake card that also plays birthday music? It's perfect, kids.
The kitty cats thought it was perfect too.
I've just got to hear it going down the steps, dears. Goodness, what's the matter, Candy?
I want to hear it.
Darker down there, you know.
I'm not even a bit scared. And I'll tell you why. Because darkness is our friend.
So they listened to it one more time, and then one more time. After that, it got a little hard to keep count. Still, they listened, and listened, and listened, and listened.
So
what's going on?
Cats made
The battery can't have worn out that fast. I think it might just be
Regular fun
tired.
to be had when you're playing in the dark, especially if you can get your paws on a flashlight.
I'm gonna try to refresh
What are my little ones doing?
Mommy, we're putting on our own cooking show.
Come and eat this, Candy. It's a duck. Quack.
It's just being lazy. Are you trying to spoil Daddy's birthday? Look, cooking Lily.
Daddy woke up just in time.
Dad's birthday card refuses to play.
Not gonna help us here.
It looks like the battery has completely run out of power. Did somebody listen to it a whole bunch of times?
Goodness,
I warned you guys about
I
that.
got to finish
You listen just as much.
No, you listened to it way more times.
I did not.
Doesn't need any cooking.
Now what are we gonna
I
give
already
Daddy
found
for his
something
birthday?
awesome.
Just then, the birthday daddy returned home from work with a pretty box full of sweet treats he'd made at the factory where he works.
I know what to do.
The kitties had an idea. They had realized that sometimes the best present is one you make yourself.
And a bunch of my fairy things. Oh, no.
Well, we were having all that fun in the dark. Hi, Daddy.
Cookie, candy, pudding. Hey, kids.
I just had a really good idea.
Because we
Love you more than anything in the whole wide world.
I can
Now we can play in the dark
Thank
again.
you very much. It's very wonderful. I've always wanted a musical card. Good. What's going on in here? Has the electricity gone out? It's the best musical card. And it's the best birthday present I've ever received.
Over here, everyone, and enjoy our shadow show.
And that's how Candy learned that darkness is really nothing to be afraid of. And playing in the dark can be a lot of fun.
And Cats became a scrumptious breakfast. With the kitty cats able to create their very own special porridge delights.
So Daddy had the best birthday he'd ever had. What could be better than music, cake, and family? Kitty cats.
Don't forget to subscribe.
What it was like to be a baby yourself.